One of my favorite parts about these TL-01s is that they will drift all day long. And anyways, just fixed this thing from a massive gear grind, so I thought I would come out here and drift it a little bit. See if it'll drift the other way. It does, it's a little bit more work. I think muscle car bodies are great because if you're learning to drift and you don't do it very well, it just looks like you're driving a muscle car like most people drive them, you know. It's kind of funny. Can be a little bit difficult because you try to look through the camera and then you take your eyes off the car for a second and you're going a totally different direction. Oh. Lots of steering, lots of throttle input, I think, is the trick to controlling these things. And having a good surface to drive on. This one isn't that great because it's kind of bumpy, but having a good battery, having a good motor setup, and having a well-balanced and just the right weight on chassis. If your chassis is too light, I think it doesn't drift very well. Sometimes it helps to have a little bit of weight on there to kind of help you be stable when you're drifting. Sounds a little counterintuitive actually, but I don't know. I could be totally wrong on this, but I think the TL-01 drifts a lot easier than the lighter TT-01. Anyways, just my 2 cents. If you have an opinion about it, or if I'm doing something wrong, leave me a note in the comments. And again, thanks for watching.